Obviously, trying to break into the first team, it's hard going. The lads in the position are playing very well at the minute, so hopefully in the next couple of games I might get a break.
13 years and I'm still playing for Connacht. Jesus, at the time Eric was still playing, so yeah, Eric was still playing, so that was quite a while ago. I definitely had a lot more hair on my head and a lot less on my face.
John Muldoon atá enemiche mar leach na himara. John Muldoon on leach a smooth as in riamh na chluiche chunam.
I've given a lot to Connacht, and I've been here and I've done all this for such a long period, but Connacht's given me a lot as well. To go out and to represent where you're from and to pull on a jersey and to get paid at the end of the month is a dream come true for me. There's a lot of times when, and a lot of big games for various reasons, and a lot of games that maybe meant nothing to other people but meant a lot to me. There's lots of games, and obviously the final last year. You're emotionally involved in the day and you're trying to keep your emotions out of it, and all morning we spoke about not letting the day get to us and not getting overawed by the day, and then it was all going well, but we got to the stadium. You see this sigh of green and you see them all clapping you in and giving you fist pumps and all this, and it's kind of surreal. I was kind of scratching my head going, Jesus, we've won nothing yet and there's a long way to go. We got to the where the bus finally came to its stop, and at that point I knew we were going to win. And I know that's easy to say that now, but I was thinking to myself, geez, we ain't going to lose this. It was absolutely hair-raising to the highest. I never felt anything in my life like it. I don't think I lifted my head. I couldn't lift my head, to be honest. It was so emotional, and you're trying to keep, as I said, emotion out of it. But geez, that was some feeling. I'd love to go back there. I think those kind of things happen only a handful of times in your life, and if you're lucky in your life, and that was certainly one of them. After that, it was easy.
Tá gach rud réir don chluiche all war idir na cúige. Oh, Shuigh, íontach fáte ag níorí lóchan. Agus tá las hílí, hí Shuigh na gadún.
There was about a minute to go. I looked up at the clock, and you're in the heat of battle, and I looked and I went, oh, 2010. And I looked at Sean O'Brien, and the two of us had a hug. Little did I realise that Ali Muldowney and Andrew Brown were in front of me, and they were just after having a little embrace themselves, kind of going, we've won this, we can't lose now. And Ali turned around and told me to cop on, there's still time to play. And I was like, sorry. But I didn't realise till afterwards that he was just after having his little embrace. But for the next minute, I was just running around, kind of not really realising what was happening, and then the final whistle came, and yeah, it was phenomenal. I don't know, this is going to sound stupid, but it kind of, everything slows down then after that. Look, I take great pride in the fact that I got to hold that trophy up. This is going to sound so corny, but it is a team effort, and there's a lot of moving parts to that, and I was the very fortunate one at the very front of it. I'm getting very old and emotional. In 13 years' time, oh, I hope I'm standing in the clan. I've no doubt I'll still be supporting Connacht Rugby, and I hope there's other people in the position that I've been in. I once dreamed of passing out Eric Elwood, and I managed to do that, and I hope there'll be a lot of lads who are born and bred in this province that will hit 300 caps, and I look forward to handing it over to someone who's going to be way better than me, and I've absolutely no problem saying that. And there'll be someone here in 13 years' time or 10 years' time going, oh, you've 300 and something caps, you're the most caps and whatever, and I can't wait for that.